national interests because we want to see climate change reduced? I think that would be one question. On the, Simone, you're coming back a little bit on the issue of resource efficiency, probably. And I can only briefly answer this because we have to move on to the next section. But what point do you wish to make, Simone?
Yeah, I agree with you. The investments are needed, and to look at the possibilities here to actually start new systems, not the old linear business models that we have when it comes to resource efficiency. But of course, also when it comes to any country, I'm not going to point out any specific, there is also a lack of accountability when it comes to a lot of material and items sent here to the African continent for a long time, and still is happening because it's costly to take care of. As much as we might be able to reuse it several times and years here, but we also have a very underdeveloped waste management structure in general.
Yes.
And if we talk electronic waste,
we're going to have to cut this back down here, Simone, because we've got to move on.
Please, more investments, that would be great.
Exactly. Simone, thank you very much. I used to live in Kenya, so I know the country very well. Guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for being on the show. Loads of people have heard what you said, and I'm sure they'll come back with questions for what you actually proposed. Thank you. Bye. So we're just going to hear a little bit about some of the legacies of both the United Nations Environment Programme and thus of 1972. Small little glimpses into important things that maybe you're not aware of. Karma Wangdi is Head of Operations at the Television for the Environment, TVE.